Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you all about Wice multi-currency account. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so for the first step, all you have to do is download the Wice application. So if you're using an Android, you can download it by using the Google Play. But if you're using an iOS device, you can look for it and download in the App Store. And once you've downloaded it, it will be on your home, and all you have to do is to open it. Let's go ahead and open. Once you've opened, if you're new to the Wice application, you won't be seeing this screen yet. When Wice has been downloaded, when you open it, you will see a register button in which you can just tap on it and fill up the necessary information to create an account. And once you've created your account, you will see the same screen as I have right now, but not precisely. As for on here, I've already created an account. Actually, I've created two, which is for the Canadian dollar and the Philippine peso. But to be more realistic, when you open your newly registered account, you will see this button right here, which is open, in which when you tap on, you can create an account. You will be asked with two options. If you want to open a balance, which you can send, receive, and spend money. But if you'd like to open a jar, there is also that option in which you can set aside money for whenever you need. For this quick video, I will just tap on balance to set an example. When you tap on it, as you can see, there are multiple options in which you can select depending on what country or currency you're using. Once you've created an account, you will be seeing the same screen as I have right now, but on different currency. And when you tap on the open account, as you can see, you can now get account details, you can add money, you can convert, you can also send, and when you tap on more, there is also an option in which you can receive. You can also request for statement and reports, or you can just close balance. And this is accessible to whichever account or currency you'd like to open. As you can see, when you tap on back, swipe to the left, there is still an open option in which you can still create multi-currency accounts, in which you could also receive, send money, or get account details for payment. And by the way, you could also request for a card by just tapping on card, which is also accessible in every single currency. But the access for the ATM is still limited depending on the country. And not just for the physical card, you could also request for a digital card to whichever account or currency you'd like to open. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.